All right, so we've looked at the Night Owl. Let's unbox the Shark 500, which I do believe is a little bit different, but we're going to check it out. Get the box open. All right, so it's got this little deal in here. It says thank you for buying it, and it gives you the information on the warranty and where you can go online to check it out. So if you have issues, so hang on to that because you may need it. Let's take a look at the unit itself. This is a little bit bigger than the Night Owl, which is interesting. Let's go ahead and get this stuff off of it. All right, and put that in the garbage. All right, so here it is. This is the Shark 500, and it looks like it's got the same kind of system on it. And I think, let's see if it's charged. You ready? Yeah, it's charged. Wow, that is bright. There's a little less, a little less, a little less. There's the speaking. All right, so I'm assuming that this one, you have to press and hold to turn it off. So let's do that. All right, that's how that works. And this does have a port on the back. And I do believe it's the same type of thing. You're going to use like an Android USB to plug it in and charge it. And it does come with a little connector that you loop around your bar. So let's set it down here. And let's see what else we've got. Okay, we do have, I do believe, let's get this thing open. Again, this one does come with 2 charging cords. They're USB to like that Android connection. So you may need those. It also comes with this for the back of the bike, which is a little bit different. It feels beefy too. It feels really strong. I like this. I like this a lot. And it has its charging port is on the very back here. If I can pop it open. Yeah, there it is. So it's got a charging port there with this big plug on it. All right. And then it also comes with these thingamabobs here. You got this connects around, like this. And again, let's see, if this was your bar, that's how it's held in there. Let me take this off. So it comes with 1, 2 of these, and I think there's one more in here, and 3. So you got 3 of them with this thing here. So they're not fooling around. They gave you a bunch. And like I said, they go around your bar and connect on to this here. So you've got couple different ways you can do it, depending on how thick your bar is. And yeah, you just go like that. It just goes like this. You see? And so the pressure exerted against it holds it. This one didn't want to go in there. You really got to see how it is. See that? So you got to smush it in there really good. And I would imagine that with this, here, let's try this one. So this will go in here. You pull it, and it gets in there. So it's locked in there, you see. And then you put it around the bar, right? And then you got a little pull tab so you can pull it to really get some good pressure on it. That's what these are for. See, you go like this, and that's how you get it on there. Otherwise, it would be a pain in the butt. But that's basically how it works. So we've got to charge these. It's hard to get off. And once they're charged, we'll put them on the bike and give you guys a chance to check them out and see what you think. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff. Peace out.